Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cuboid puzzle tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve a 3x3x1 Cuboid puzzle. The good news is that this puzzle is super easy to solve and you won't need any algorithms at all. Before we jump in, let's take a quick look at the puzzle itself. The 3x3x1 Cuboid is more commonly known as a floppy cube. There are actually two versions of this puzzle. The standard floppy cube doesn't allow the edge pieces to rotate. However, the one that I have here today is a Super Floppy Cube, which allows all four edge pieces to rotate independently like this. Another interesting feature is that the corner pieces can connect to the different edge pieces as the puzzle is scrambled. One thing to keep in mind is that this puzzle is quite delicate, so try to make smooth turns. If you force the pieces, the puzzle might pop apart fairly easily. The floppy cube is also a shape-shifting puzzle, which means it can transform into all sorts of irregular shapes when scrambled. Alright, enough talking. Let's get started. My puzzle cube is now scrambled. Our first goal is to get it back into its normal one-layer floppy shape. This step is completely intuitive. For example, if you have a case like this where a corner piece is sitting on top of an edge piece, here's what you do. First, rotate the side with only two cubes over to the opposite side, like so, creating an empty corner space here. Next, rotate the side with three cubes halfway down like this. Now you can move the edge piece together with the corner piece over to the side with the empty corner space. And just like that, the corner piece is back in a corner position and my floppy cube is back to a single flat layer. Once the puzzle is back in its floppy shape, we can solve the side colors. This step is also very straightforward. Each side of the puzzle only contains two colors. For example, on this side, you will only see red and orange, and the other two opposite sides will only contain blue and green. To solve the sides, simply match the colors together. For example, here we have two blue pieces and a green piece. On the opposite side, we have two green pieces and one blue piece, but the blue pieces are on the same sides. To fix this, rotate the blue piece so that the green is on its opposite side. Then, flip it over to the opposite side. Now, the blue and green sides are solved. We will now solve the red and orange sides. And there we go. All four sides are now solved. Now for the easiest step of all. Once we finish this step, the entire Super Floppy Cube will be solved. All we need to do is identify any edge pieces that are flipped incorrectly and rotate them into the correct orientation. For example, on this edge piece, the yellow and white stickers need to be swapped. To fix this, rotate both adjacent sides away from the edge piece. Turn the edge piece 180 degrees. Then rotate the sides back. That's it. The edge piece is solved. Continue checking the remaining edge pieces and repeat the same process wherever needed. And with that, the puzzle is completely solved. And that's it. The Super Floppy Cube is solved. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more puzzle tutorials. And if you enjoy solving cuboid puzzles, I have tutorials on several other cuboid puzzles as well. Be sure to check them out. I'll leave links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.